Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Solarian. Okay, so obviously I thought it'd been a long star because solar means star, doesn't it? But moon, lunar. Oh my god, bro! How many people want to have sex with the moon? This is stupid. Lunar. I wanted the one with the moon on it.
Wait, I'm gonna
Venus.
walk in the
You're
middle.
taking
Walk
the
in the
fucking
middle.
piss.
Walk in the middle. Wait, no. This is the method. Walk in the middle. Keep walking in the middle. Keep walking in the middle. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Move.
Okay.
Say your fucking mouth.
I can't move.
Back shots. Ah, defend the side, broski. Yeah. I fought for my wife.
Maybe the team is winning.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Hey, when my team is losing.
Oh, no! No!
Mika.
Guys, wait, what does this game say about the person based on who they pick?
That we like cleavage, so I'm picking the shoulders.
Head, shoulders, cleavage, toes.
I'm not racist, I'm black nigger.
I love, I love, I love, I love, I love, I love.
Yo, skin cone, chicken bone, Google Chrome, no bone, flip phone, disown, ice cream cone, garden gnome, extra chromosome, metronome, dimmadome, genome, full blown, monochrome, student gnome. I just shot myself.
Ayo. Ayo.
Bata pa ako. Sabi kong pulang-pula. Sino ka?
Would you touch me? Oh, Moxie. You're coffee brown. I'll lick you.
What the fuck?
No, I can't do this.
Things from Philippines.
Guys, stop following me. Do you want to fight or something? Come
Bro,
on.
it's not tough. Bro, it's not tough.
Do you want to fight? Come on.
I'm sorry.
Let's
Come on, bro.
fight
He's
in real life,
he's
man.
Gojo, man.
You
He's
scared?
Gojo.
You scared? I'm scared. Sorry.
Bro, it's not tough.
Ay,
You wanna fight? You wanna fight, bro? You wanna fight?
yeah.
You wanna fight? You wanna fight, G? G, you wanna fight?
You're not
See?
even.
You see?
I'm not
We
getting
twerk, mate.
distracted. Hey,
We twerk, mate.
you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Stop dancing! You got nothing! You're a girl,
You
man!
got nothing! I have nothing!
Oh
Why are
my
you
God.
moaning in the mic now? Stay over there.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Are you Are you guys friends? That gay! You cannot even understand me!
Hey, where you running off, huh? Can you stop following us, please? It's scary.
Stop following us, stop following us. Gusto nyo talaga yung totoong laban, ha?
Get your fuck out. What the?
Gee, you wanna go? Run it, bro. Let's run it, bro. Come on.
Bro, I'm not talking to you. Get out.
Let's run it, man. Let's run it. Let's run it.
You cannot catch me.
Yeah, you wanna fight, bro?
Relax.
1v1 in Fortnite. Let's run it, kiddo.
Nag-English ba?
Oh, hell no, bro. Who played that game,
Yo.
bro? That's like...
Shut your OCS up, bitch.
Bro, don't be mad. What the frick? Oh, yeah. Stop.
You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Can we guys stop this?
Yeah, be the brave
Okay,
one.
bye. Bye, guys.
Walk away. You're making me having tears right now.
What is bro?
Yo.
Hala, nabrilap.
Are you pooping?
Hold up, my homeboy's here. My slime's here.
What up, my
They call him One Punch Zachariah.
Oh, wait. Do you guys smell it?
It smells really bad. It smells like Asia in here. It smells like
Oh.
fucking fried rice.
Uh-oh.
S
Banana.
Y B A
Comes next.
U.
Shut your fucking mouth!
I just got.
This is a cop. What's going on?
He's staring at us.
I'm sorry.
Move away.
Woman? Is that a woman?
Do you feel body checking?
Put a girl on.
Put a girl on.
Put a girl on.
What pad you wear? What brand pad?
Just like, yeah.
Me writing Pinocchio.
Like,
2
okay.
+ 2 = 3. Ah, Pinocchio. If the angels came for me, I tell him no.
Hey, pal.
You know, whenever I throw trash in the bin, I never miss. Fun fact about myself. I have a good smile. Check. I have good personality. Check.
Oh.
And I donate to charity.
Oh.
Check.
Like, oh.
And if you're not underage, then I'm not underage. But if you're underage, I'm also underage. Fun fact. I like playing pink. I can also click my keyboard like
I
that.
heard you like ASMR.
Oh.
Oh, now we got the pedophile in the group. Get out of here. No.